install on the FZ. Pretty simple stuff. All you need is a 5mm Allen and a 17 key. You're going to need to, like me, I ordered twice the same. So just undo this Allen and the nut in the back, switch it around, and you have one right and one left. Otherwise you're gonna have two rights. We're gonna start with a Z. This is super low. Brake side. I'm just gonna undo this and put the mirrors on the bar ends right here. And these are Woodcraft clip-on, so they're not like stock. Stock, you have a big Allen, just undo and just plug. You got threads and all that kind of stuff. So for me, I think the best solution is just going to be take a pair of vice grip and yank on the son of a bitch. We'll see. I need to find a point of view that you can see what I do. Let's see, just my butt. That's it. Very easy process.
Here's a useful tip for the FZ09 where you're going to undo the mirrors. The gas side doesn't follow the normal logic of righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. It's actually the other way around. I was sure the mirror was seized. It's kind of weird considering that the clutch side is normal. So it's good to know in advance.
I'm done. Managed to get it out. Now look, being what it is, the top part broke and the grip part stayed in. Had to drill it out. And it's done now. So the easy part should come. That is the new mirrors. That. So these are Chinese stuff, so they're on, but could have been a lot better. Remember, on the gas side, leave a gap, make sure it doesn't stick. And that one is kind of easy. I hope they're on the same level or close. Might need to fine tune it, but it's not a whole lot. So, I'm done with bar ends. I'm not really sure I'm gonna keep them. They're a little bit flimsy to my taste. The fit is alright at best. I did adjust them and everything. Levers, however, they're good. But the bar ends, I don't know. I'll keep them for now.